Fiber patch cables explained, types, connectors, and their use cases in data centers. Fiber patch cables $junctions are short, flexible cords which connect transceivers and panels within data centers. Types of fiber patch cables: single mode $OS yellow $9 AUSIM $12 text and $core, ideal for long haul $20 $100 km plus. Multi-mode $ohm aqua lime green $50 AUSIM $65 text and $core, suitable for short links $500 $1000 M within the data center $500 M. Connectors used in fiber patch cables: $LC standard duplex for $1 $100 GBP signals, $MPON TP multi-fiber required for $40 $100 GBP's parallel optics, $NDC LCS next gen high density duplex to support for $100 $800 GBP's signals. The right cable type, connector, and protective jacket $LSZH for safety must be chosen according to the optical module for reliable performance. I have made about 1.3 times the word count while maintaining the tone and consistency of the original text.